Okay, today let's learn about Azure boards. Imagine a classroom where teacher uses a big board to track assignments, deadlines and progress for every student, just like here. So in Azure boards works the same way by giving teams work items, Kanban boards, and backlogs to organize tasks and monitor progress. Administrators and developers can trace every change from planning to deployment, ensuring accountability and transparency. This keeps projects on track, makes collaboration easier, and provides clear visibility into the flow of work. Let's meet in our next lecture.